Before we begin today's lesson, I want to ask you a simple question. If someone walked up to you right now and said, "Tell me about yourself," would you feel confident answering? Most English learners struggle with this moment. They pause, they freeze, they worry about making mistakes. But today, I want to change that for you. Today, I will teach you exactly how to introduce yourself clearly, naturally, and confidently, just like a fluent English speaker. By the end of this lesson, you will have a complete, powerful self-introduction that you can use anywhere, in class, at work, online, or even in a job interview. So stay with me. This lesson is going to transform your English-speaking confidence. Welcome to FluentX. Learn English fast and simple. In today's master lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English. This is one of the most important skills for every learner. Because whether you are meeting someone for the first time, attending an interview, joining a new class, or simply introducing yourself online, your introduction creates your first impression. So today, I will guide you step by step through the full structure of a clear and effective self-introduction. You will learn how to introduce yourself in a simple way, how to talk about your background and your family, how to describe your job or studies, how to talk about your hobbies and interests, how to describe your personality, how to express your goals and future plans, and finally, how to combine everything into one complete, fluent, natural introduction. This will be a full, structured, teacher-guided session. So sit comfortably, listen carefully, and repeat after me whenever I ask. Let's begin. We will start with the simplest and most essential part, your basic introduction. These are the first sentences you say when you meet someone new. Keep them short, keep them simple, keep them clear. Essential sentences. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is. I'm from. I live in. I'm years old. Nice to meet you. Now let me give you some natural examples. Example 1. Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm from Malaysia. I live in Kuala Lumpur. I'm 23 years old. Nice to meet you. Example 2. Hello, I'm Sarah. I'm from India, but I live in Dubai. I'm 28 years old. It's great meeting you. Notice how each sentence is short and easy to understand. There is no need to speak fast. Clear pronunciation is more important than long, complicated sentences. Now it's time for you to try. Speak slowly and clearly. Say your name. Say your country. Say your city. I will pause for a moment. You may begin. Excellent! You are doing great! Now that you can introduce yourself with your name, country, and age, let's move deeper into your background. This helps people understand where you come from and your personal story. Useful sentences. Repeat after me. I was born in. I grew up in. I come from a family of. I have siblings. I'm the oldest child. I'm the middle child. I'm the youngest child. Examples. I was born in Karachi, but I grew up in Lahore. Example 2. I come from a family of 5. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Example 3. I'm the youngest child in my family. These sentences help the listener understand your roots. Your background is a very natural part of your introduction. Keep your sentences short and structured. Your turn. Say where you were born. Say where you grew up. Then say one sentence about your family. Take a deep breath and speak slowly. Good. Let's continue. In the next part of your introduction, you will talk about your job or your studies. This is especially important in interviews, meetings, or professional situations. Useful sentences. Repeat after me. I work as a. I'm currently working in. I'm studying. At. I'm interested in. I'm looking forward to. Example 1. Job. I work as a graphic designer. I'm currently working in a digital agency. Example 2. Student. I'm studying computer science at the University of Toronto. Example 3. Interest. I'm interested in technology and creative design. You don't need long, complicated sentences to sound fluent. Strong communication comes from short, confident statements. In English, clarity always wins. Say your job, or say what you are studying. Then add one interest. Speak when you're ready. Pause. Excellent. Let's continue developing your introduction. Now let's move to one of the most natural and friendly parts of your introduction. Talking about your hobbies and interests helps people connect with you. It shows the human side of your personality. Useful sentences. Repeat after me. In my free time, I like to. I enjoy. My hobbies include. I'm passionate about. Recently, I started. In my free time, I like to read books and learn new languages. My hobbies include cooking, photography, and cycling. Recently, I started learning guitar. You don't need to list too many hobbies. Choose 2 or 3 that represent you well. Make sure you say them clearly and confidently. Now choose one hobby. Turn it into a full sentence. Say, in my free time, I like to, and finish the line. Good. Now add one more sentence. I enjoy, and complete it. Great job. Let's continue. In this section, you'll learn how to describe your personality. This part helps people understand what kind of person you are. Simple adjectives can create a strong, positive impression. Useful sentences, repeat after me. People say I consider myself. I'm a person. I'm someone who. Example 1. People say I'm friendly and easy to talk to. Example 2. I consider myself a creative person. Example 3. I'm someone who enjoys learning new things. Don't exaggerate your personality. Choose simple and real descriptions. Honest communication sounds fluent and confident. Think of one adjective that describes you well. Maybe you are friendly, hardworking, creative, calm, or helpful. Now say, people say I'm, and complete the sentence. Now say, I'm someone who, and complete that sentence as well. Excellent! You are doing very well. Now let's move to the final element of your introduction, your goals. Talking about goals shows direction. It shows confidence. And it helps other people understand what you want in the future. Useful sentences. Repeat after me. My goal is to. I want to improve. In the future, I hope to. I'm working on. Example 1. My goal is to speak English fluently. Example 2. In the future, I hope to travel the world. Example 3. I'm working on improving my communication skills. Keep your goals simple and realistic. Choose one personal goal and one learning goal. Goals make your introduction stronger and more meaningful. Think of one goal you truly want to achieve. It could be improving your English, getting a job, learning a new skill, or traveling. Now say, my goal is to, and complete the sentence. Great! Let's continue. Now I will show you how all of the parts fit together. Listen carefully. This is a complete, polished, fluent self-introduction. Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm from Malaysia, and I live in Kuala Lumpur. I'm 23 years old. I grew up in a small town near Penang. I come from a family of 5. I'm the oldest child. I work as a graphic designer. I'm currently working at a digital agency. In my free time, I enjoy photography, reading, and learning languages. People say I'm creative and hardworking. I'm someone who enjoys learning new things. My goal is to become fluent in English and travel to different countries. It's great meeting you. This example is balanced, simple, and complete. It includes every important part of a strong introduction. And now, it's your turn to build your own full introduction. You have learned every part of a complete, fluent self-introduction. Now it's time to put it all together. I will guide you step by step. Speak after me, or speak when I pause. Use your own information in each sentence. Step 1. Name, country, city. Start with your name. Say, "My name is," and add your name. Now say, "I'm from," and add your country. And now say, "I live in," and add your city. Step 2. Age and background. Say your age. Then say, "I was born in," and add your birthplace. Now say, "I grew up in," and complete the sentence. Step 3. Work or studies. Say, "I work as," and add your profession. Or, "I'm studying," and add your field of study. Add one more sentence about your interest. "I'm interested in." Step 4. Hobbies and interests. Say, "In my free time, I like to," and complete the sentence. Now say, "I enjoy," and add one more activity. Step 5. Personality. Say, "People say I'm," and choose one positive adjective. Now say, "I'm someone who," and complete the sentence. Step 6. Goals. Say, "My goal is to," and add your main goal. Then say, "In the future, I hope to," and complete the sentence. Now speak your full introduction in one go. My name is, I'm from, and I live in. I'm years old. I was born in, and I grew up in. I come from a family of. I'm the child. I work as. I'm studying at. I'm interested in. In my free time, I like to. I enjoy. People say I'm someone who. My goal is to. In the future, I hope to. Excellent. You've created a complete, natural, and fluent introduction. Great job today. You have completed a full FluentX master lesson on how to talk about yourself in English. This lesson has given you the structure, the language, and the confidence to introduce yourself anywhere. Now, your job is simple. Practice this introduction every day. Record your voice, listen to your fluency, improve your rhythm, and most importantly, speak with confidence. If you found this lesson useful, make sure to subscribe to FluentX. Follow our channel at FluentX Hub for daily English lessons. And check out our playlists for more speaking practice. Thank you for learning with FluentX. Learn English fast and simple. I'll see you in the next lesson.